The Arkansas Ozarks contains one of the highest concentrations of premium motorcycle roads in the country. These roads are very well maintained. And because big rigs are prohibited from using these roads, they are in great condition, very smooth and not a pothole to be found. The Arkansas Ozarks are dotted with many small country towns with lots of history, perfect for exploring, fueling up your motorcycle, or fueling up your belly. Encountering public swimming holes is not uncommon while riding the Arkansas Ozarks. So if the weather is hot and you're looking to cool off, check one of these out. Now, the Arkansas Ozarks provide amazing motorcycle riding spring, summer, and fall. I must say that the fall would be our favorite time of the year to visit. Peak fall colors are usually the first week in November, and the temperature are perfect for throwing on a leather jacket and enjoy an amazing ride. If you are planning a trip to the Arkansas Ozarks, the town of Eureka Springs is a good place to base out of. There are plenty of vacation rentals, some with garages for your motorcycles to choose from. If you choose to stay in Jasper County, about 30 miles to the east, just keep in mind that it is a dry county. If you have questions about riding the beautiful Arkansas Ozarks, please leave your questions in the comments below and answer them promptly. Until our next video, stay safe. Don't forget to support this veteran-run channel by giving us a like, share, and subscribe.